How to fix battery drain on iPhone iOS 18.5. Tips 1. Turn off location services. Many service-based apps including food delivery, ride booking, reservation apps and system apps like weather require access to location services. But if the iPhone battery is too low, turning the location off will help it last longer. Open the Settings app. Navigate to Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Tips 2. Use dark mode. Dark mode can significantly prolong the battery life on iPhones with an OLED display. Open the Settings app. Tap on Display and Brightness. Under Appearance, select Dark. Tip 3. Disable Background App Refresh. Open the Settings app and tap on General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again tap on Background App Refresh. Toggle off Background App Refresh on iPhone. Tips 4. Turn on Auto Brightness on the iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down to the bottom and toggle on Auto Brightness. Tips 5. Turn on Low Power Mode. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Battery. Enable Low Power Mode. Tip 6. Enable Optimized Battery Charging. For that, navigate to Settings. Next, tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. Now, ensure Optimized Battery Charging is toggled on. General tips to save battery life on your iPhone. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not needed. Use the Settings app instead of the Control Center. Do not use live or dynamic wallpaper. Instead, use a still image. Use airplane mode in low signal areas like while on a train. If you follow these tips, you can easily reduce battery drain on your iPhone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.